The next step is, of course, to get your Pantheon account from just being a free account to being a paid account, and then allowing yourself to use your SSL certificate that you just purchased. So you want to log into your Pantheon account and get to your click on your website, and it should bring you to your Pantheon dashboard. And here is where you're going to actually be able to upgrade your account. And in the next section, we'll go through what some of the tools are within Pantheon that make it great for building out an e-commerce site, but we'll start by just getting the account upgraded. So click on the settings link, and depending on how your account's set up, it might look a little bit different than ours. We've used this one in the past for the codekarate.com website. So you want to go to the billing tab and add a new credit card if you haven't had one already. So you'll go through this form, add your credit card information, and click add card. If you already have a card, or once you've added it, you'll be able to select the card for this site and select update payment method. In order to actually use SSL within your Pantheon account, you need to be on at least the Pro plan. So if you come back into plan, there's a bunch of different plan options. You'll need at least the Pro level plan because that's what allows SSL.
So obviously, as you can see, the Pro plan is going to run $100 per month. There is a caveat as well. There will be an additional fee for the SSL, which is $30. So you're looking at $130 per month to run your e-commerce store.
And one thing to keep in mind is this is a little spendy, but you do not have to pay extras based on transaction. Whatever you set up with your merchant is what you pay, where a lot of services you might have to pay a smaller monthly fee, but you have to pay a more significant portion of your transaction fees.
Right.
So it's really just a balance on what works for you. But you want to go ahead and select the Pro plan, click Update Plan, and that should go ahead and set you up based on the card that you entered in. And this may take a second to actually run through. And the next step will be going to this domains/SSL section. Now you'll notice this says domains for the development environment, and this is not what we want to actually set up, because we don't want our SSL to be applied to our development environment. We actually want our SSL to be applied only to our live environment. But before we can really set up SSL and set up these domains, we're going to need to set up the different environments and learn a little bit about Pantheon and how it works. So once your account's upgraded, you're in a good spot. In the next video, we'll take you through how Pantheon works and a little bit more about the various tools that it offers.